meditation for an overactive thinking mind. So each one of us has a thinking mind that tends to work a lot. And often, if we're not very careful, the mind may work overtime. So in today's meditation, rather than fighting our thinking mind and creating resistance, we will offer kindness to our mind, helping to bring a sense of peace and gratitude. So begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Try to be relaxed, but at the same time upright and steady. Either close your eyes or keep a soft, open gaze, as is done in the Zen tradition. And start to take a few grounding breaths. And continue to follow your breaths, keeping your exhales slightly longer than your inhales, promoting a feeling of relaxation in the body. Your breath is like an anchor point, which helps you orient to the present moment. Anytime you're getting distracted or overwhelmed, breath is a refuge that you can always come back to. Now take a step back and simply watch your breath naturally. So without consciously controlling your breath, can you observe the breath the way it is? Being mindful of tension of when your inhale starts and when your exhale begins. Now direct your attention to your head. Without going into the content of your thoughts. See if you can simply notice how your head feels on a sensation basis. You may observe that if you've particularly been focusing a lot, that there may be a feeling of tightness or tension in the forehead area. Or you might observe a feeling of tightness by the temples. Start to observe any kind of sensations that you observe in the head area. And start to notice its qualities. Do these sensations in your head feel heavy, or do they feel light? Do they feel warm, or do they feel cool? If you observe any kind of tension or contraction in your muscles, whether it be in the forehead or the jaw or anywhere else, see if you can soften this tension. And simply by softening, observe how these sensations morph and change. Now, with your attention still rested in the head area, can you simply allow your thoughts to be without changing them or suppressing them? We allow our thoughts to be without creating any unnecessary or added tension by suppressing them or pushing them away. Simply watch your thoughts unfold. And if a particularly heavy or charged thought begins to occur, there is no need to judge it. Simply offer your thought compassion and kindness as you would a friend. And come back to a place of simply being and observing thoughts come and go. If you find that your mind is still overactive and is overpowering your sense of attention and awareness, notice where you can relax and ease into any tension. So if you've started to clench any muscles, begin to relax that. And if a certain thought pattern is a bit too strong, then briefly switch your focus to the physical sensations in your head, or you may redirect your focus back to the breath. Once you've cleared away any added tension, once again simply allow your thinking mind to be as it is, allowing any thoughts that may arise to simply rest and be as they are. As we meet our thoughts head on without any resistance, we start to create space for them to arise and pass away. And as we do this process, we create more space and peace to simply be as we are. Our thinking mind does so much for us. Can you offer your thinking mind gratitude for helping you in your journey? And thank it for what it does to support you. Before closing this practice today, take a couple more moments, silence, to let your thinking mind be as it is. Let any added tension simply melt away. To close this practice, you can bring your hands to heart center or simply bow in gratitude for taking the time today to treat yourself and your thinking mind with compassion and kindness. Thank you.